Hey Nicholas, we're at 14 of 240 Bondi Road, so we're in a fantastic location. As you can see in the background, that is amazing views of the water. So this is fully renovated, been renovated by an architect, so it's been done very well. And it goes really well on Airbnb, so you could use that as a strategy that will increase the yields. Everything's beautifully done in here. Again, views out to the ocean, so every window has a view. That's a huge pantry there. Showing you what that looks like. You've got aircon. So it's 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms and a lock-up garage. A small balcony. It's Bondi Road down there. You've got beautiful views right down to the southern beaches. And right around. And through to Bondi. Through there. North Bondi. Now this is pre-market, so it will be sold on market, but we get an opportunity to see it before it actually goes to market. Beautiful terrazzo tiles on the floor, and the beautiful hand Italian, I think they're Italian tiles, I'll double check that. You've got views out here also. Recessed cabinet with lots of storage. Really beautiful fixtures and fittings. Nice bright room, absolutely. Even without, I'll turn the lights off, you can see there's not much change, and every room has a view. Beautiful wide oak floors. We've got a walk-in robe. And the carry-on of these beautiful tiles in here with face height storage. And a shower, so you've got an ensuite. And this building doesn't have a lot of the 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, so it's really great to have. And this is still quite a good size room. And again, views. So every single room has a view. I'll just walk you back out.